My name is Reshma Amit Devkar. I was born and brought up in Ghatkopar, Mumbai. I got married in the year 2011. After my marriage, my in-laws asked me whether I wanted to take up a job or start a business. And my immediate response was to start my own business, as I was working in this industry since 2006.
My daughter-in-law had completed her diploma in pharmacy when she got married. She had worked in several pharmacy stores during that period. And that's when I had the thought of helping her to start her own medical store.
When I opened my own store, I had to face a lot of challenges since there were already bigger and established brands offering heavy discounts. Every customer who came to our store always expected a discount from us. This situation was a bit difficult to manage. Besides, there are online stores offering similar discounts with delivery solutions. If they are getting heavy discounts, they will go there, they will not come here. I'm facing delivery challenges too. If they want urgent delivery and we are unable to do it, it also impacts our relationship with the customers, which is not right. In the current billing system, we only do the sales and purchase entries, and it is mostly done manually. Therefore, based on the current market trends, I thought of upgrading my store with digital methods. It so happened that one fine day, NeoGrowth team approached me and they explained me how the digital upgradation of my store will help me grow my business. I was quite convinced with their proposal and I also said okay, and I agreed to upgrade my store. Now I'm very excited to see the digital transformation of my store.
Hi, we are NeoGrowth Credit Private Limited. NeoGrowth is a leading player in the space of SME lending. NeoGrowth believes in empowering small businesses, and that is exactly the reason we have launched DigiBiz. DigiBiz is a platform that helps transformation of small businesses and aid the growth of their business. When we first met Reshma, she helped us understand the practical problems she faced in her business. As a next step, we got her business evaluated using NeoGrowth's proprietary digitometer scoring mechanism, and we noticed her score was only 45%. This score was based on 5 key building blocks of her business. Based on her score, the algorithm threw recommendations and we started implementing them in her business immediately. When we first met Reshma, we realized that though Reshma was operating her business for past 14 years, her store was still missing out on a brand identity. And that's when we created a logo for her business with a tagline which stands for what they truly believe in for their business.
NeoGrowth gave Advait Medical a new identity, and they also created a nice logo. There is a heart in this logo. See, this is a heart-shaped logo which represents that we truly care for our patients. And that's how the tagline goes. We care for you.
When we tried to analyze the business operations of Advait Medical, we realized that most of the operations were done manually, because of which a lot of valuable time was being wasted in unproductive activities. And that's why we recommended them DigiHealth Redbook.
Because of DigiHealth Redbook, today I am able to save a lot of time, which I am able to spend with my family. We are now also connected with some new distributors. And the best part is that products are pre-labeled with barcodes, which saves a lot of my time. The bills of the medicines and general products are also easily generated and are sent to the customers via SMS or email.
When we asked Reshma about how she manages to positively engage with the customers, she mentioned that currently she is not able to do any customer engagement activity, and that's why we recommended her to use MagicPin.
NeoGrowth team helped me to get onboarded on the MagicPin platform, because of which now my customers can redeem different discount vouchers. This resulted in an increased new customer acquisition, and the customer retention rate has also improved. Because of MagicPin, I am getting good online orders and even the delivery is taken care of.
As we are aware, in today's times, digital presence plays a really important role. And that is why we created good social media presence of Advait stores with the help of Equinity services, which eventually helped them to reach out to their potential customers and acquire new customers in the process.
As we all know, social media plays a very important role. I had no presence on any of the social platforms, and that's when NeoGrowth helped me to get registered on Facebook and Instagram. Since I have around 14 years of experience in this field, NeoGrowth team also advised me to create health tips videos and to upload them on these platforms, and to my surprise, I'm also getting a very good response to my videos. NeoGrowth team also did social media marketing for my business, because of which my business is now known to around more than 10,000 people around my locality. NeoGrowth team also advised me to install a television set in the store, because of which I am now able to display all the products available in my store, and through Lema advertising, I am also able to generate additional advertising revenue. With SmartTech LED scroller, my store has better visibility now, and I can also display the ongoing offers on the scroller. This gave me a lot of more benefits, like this resulted in an increase in the customer footfall.
Reshma also mentioned about some security related concerns in her locality. So considering this pain point, we also installed CCTV cameras in her store with the help of Pinnacle Management and utility services.
There have been some incidents of theft in our locality. Keeping that in mind, with NeoGrowth's guidance, we also installed CCTV cameras in my store. Now I can monitor my store activity on my mobile from any place.
So, this was Reshma's story, a story of a confident woman who embraced change and ensured her business growth. NeoGrowth is very proud to be associated with her. Empowering women entrepreneurs has always been in the DNA of NeoGrowth, and we continue to live to our promise. We look forward to transforming many such small businesses and ensuring their growth. For the same, NeoGrowth has launched a platform called DigiBiz, where we invite all the small businesses to come, explore, transform and grow.